What it do, what it do, what it do, YouTube? Hey, one time for the one time, it is your girl Minnie, and I am back at it with another flipping video. Today is a different video. I decided to do a tribute to Nipsey Hussle. Today is his birthday. I don't know if it's gonna be up today or tomorrow because, like, this really took me a long time, and I don't really have all the, all the necessities that I need, even for this. I feel like this is a really simple look that, anybody could accomplish. I didn't really do much. I just like buffed out all the blues. The only thing that was kind of hard, or was hard, was the eyeliner part. Yeah, so I wanted to do a tribute to Nipsey Hussle because I feel like he needs a tribute, because that should have never happened. And it was brutal, and he did good for his community. He was like an entrepreneur, as he would say, self-made. But yeah, so this is a tribute to Nipsey Hussle, and prayers to his family, his close friends, his children. Like it's really, really sad. It's really, really sad. I'm not a makeup artist. I dabble in makeup. I like to do my makeup. Recently, I love doing my face. I practice on my face, and I feel like I'm getting better at it, and I'm very proud of myself. I'm very proud of what I accomplished today. I hope I did him justice. I hope I did you guys justice. So this is just a look that, kept popping up in my head every time I was listening to Victory Lap. So something just told me to do it, and here it is. So if you want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. So this is the Juvia's Place I Am Magic Concealer in the shade 14. I'm spreading that all over the lid and bringing it out a little bit for the wing liner. Next, I'm going to take this blue from the James Charles I Am Artistry palette and put it all in the crease. Next, I'm going to take this blue and put it in the inner corner and bring it out to the middle of the lid just a little bit. Next, I'm going to take the blue shade called Hickey from the Patrick Star Play With Me and pack that on the lid till I can't pack no more. The wing liner is the hard part. Let's try to get them the same, a little bit the same. I'm gonna try to do them justice. Like I said, dang, I don't want to mess this up. I really don't. So this is a cheap beauty supply store liquid liner that I'm just going to be trying to shape the eye so I can get it to look relatively close to the other eye. Now all I'm doing is just making sure the line is clean how I want it, so it'll be ready for me to wipe it away with the makeup wipe. As you can see, I'm stressing out trying to make sure this line is straight. Like, my legs were shaking at this point. won't turn back around, and nothing is gonna change me now. No, no, no. Even if I lose it all tonight, tomorrow's another round, and you can say what you want, but you never, ever, ever bring me down. You never bring me down. You never bring me down. Now I'm going to create that wing line with the Fenty Beauty's Vivid Liquid Eyeliner and wet t-shirt. I don't know what this is called, but I got it from Kylie Cosmetics. Gonna bring you down. I've been down this road before, and I won't turn back around, and nothing is gonna change me now. No, no, no. Even if I lose it all tonight, tomorrow's another round, and you can say what you want, but you never, ever, ever bring me down. You never bring me down. You never bring me down. Never bring me down. You never bring me down. I've been down this road before, and I won't turn back around, and nothing is gonna change me now. No, no. Even if I lose it all tonight, tomorrow's another round, and you can say what you want, but you never, ever, ever bring me down. You never bring me down. You never bring Now that I got them relatively close, I have to fix this, but I'm gonna fix that with some concealer. I am very proud of myself, I must say. I'm not a makeup artist. I don't do everybody's makeup. I used to do music all the time. I just heard Victory Lap, and this look kept popping up in my head, so I was like, let me try this look out. And it happens to be his birthday today. I wanted to do a whole tribute. All the songs that I heard on the Victory Lap album, I had makeup visions. Why? I don't know. It was inspiring for me to do makeup and for me to sing. Now I'm gonna lather that Pro Filter Retouch Primer all over my face to get a nice sticky, tacky feel. Next, I'm using the Fenty Pro Filter Foundation in the shade 385. Next, I'm setting my face with the Jouer Soft Focus Hydrate and Set Powder. That pimple was killing me, y'all. Now I'm using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Instant Retouch Concealer, and about to do what it do, baby. So now I'm using the LA Girl Pro Conceal to contour my face. So now I'm putting ColourPop Super Shock Shadow in the shade Coconut under the eye. So now I'm taking ColourPop's Cheat Date and putting it in the inner corners to represent Nipsey Hussle wearing those gold chains. You already know.
I'm prolific, so gifted. I'm the type that's gon' go get it. No kidding. Breaking down a swish in front of your building. Sitting on the steps, feeling no feelings. Last night it was a cold killing. You gotta keep the devil in his hole.
yeah, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please comment down below. Let me know your thoughts on it. Tell me how I did, because I'm very proud of myself. Yeah, I came a long way. Sis came a long way. So, yeah. I hope we can all learn from this situation. I mean, it's like too many people dying for no reason. Well, for jealousy, envy, hate, for what? I just don't understand. I just don't get it. Just don't get it. But yeah, please thumbs up this video. And until next time, peace.